My name's Stephen Tullett. I'm 31 years of age, and this is my audition for Search for Talent Wales. I'm a spoken poet, and everything I write's my own. So please take a listen. I remember that very first cry, but now I'm sitting here alone, never understanding why. I was allowed to carry you for 9 months, but then taken away at birth. As a mummy, my heart is breaking. I've never known so much hurt. I pushed Daddy away, but he's hurting too. Our precious baby, please come back, we miss you. We had so many plans, but left the hospital alone, faced with the reality that we would never get to take you home. Your room was ready, Moses' basket was prepared. Now I can't face life, my pain has got me scared. Dear Mummy, please don't be scared. Safe in heaven's gardens I play. In your heart, I promise I will always stay. You're my mum, I didn't want to leave. I never intended to hurt you or even make you grieve. Mummy and Daddy, I cried, I tried, I fought, I hope I filled you with pride. I love you, I promise I will forever look down on you. Mummy and Daddy, until we meet again, please for me, live your life, heal your pain.